Here we go with another honest review. This time I'm at the Otonomus Hotel in Las Vegas. I'm in their lobby, and that was the front desk. Yes, that is the front desk. They were very welcoming, and they sent me to the front desk for check-in. Pretty different. Here's their hallways. Very long hallways. It's a lot of walking. You should park on the side that your room is on. They have these digital pads on the wall. As you can see, you pull out your phone, open up the app, the QR reader, and scan that QR code to be let into your room or any other doors in this building. This is our room here. Scan the room real quick. Nice big open room. First impressions was great. As you see, nice kitchen, dining room area. They have these digital pads on the wall here by the front door. Zoom in for you. You could contact the front desk. You could click the open eButler button there, and it'll open this cabinet here. The front desk or a butler can drop off something in your room without actually having to come into the room, which is pretty cool. Take a look at the kitchen area here. Everything is modern, up to date. Little sitting area here. They have this living room here. Nest Google thermostat. Nice large TV on the wall. It was awesome when I first walked in here. It was something not like any other hotel. I give them their props on that. This is the back area. They have that pool right there. The pool is in the center of the complex, so everyone can pretty much see the pool from their room. They have a nice sofa set there. Nice paintings on the wall. As you see, it's a nice open area. Everything is pretty modernized, and ceilings are high, tall ceilings. We'll open up these cabinets and show you what's in the cabinets and what's in the fridge. I pretty much try to show you everything I can think of while I'm in the room at the moment. Look at these dishes. Check out the dishwasher underneath the sink. You also find a trash can there in case you're looking for the trash can is underneath the sink. Not too much in the cabinets here. Open this cabinet up here for you, let you see, close it. Try to open this door. It's locked, nothing's in there. This is the hallway area, another door that's locked. Bathroom straight ahead. This is the bedroom. Pretty nice bedroom. First impressions, it was great. Tall ceiling, nice TV on the wall, nice big closet here, but there's something missing. They only had one robe. I came with my wife. They only gave us one robe. I was looking for the second. They should at least put two. Turn around this closet, seen some electronics in there. Nice place to put my laptop on or eat a snack in the bed. Pretty cool. But one thing is missing here as well. There's no dresser. So I wasn't able to put my clothes anywhere. I didn't have anywhere to put them. It was me and my wife. She pretty much took the closet space, and I kept my clothes in the suitcase. So that wasn't fun. Nice pool area, as I stated earlier. If you're in the inner perimeter, you can see the pool from your room. Tall ceiling and recessed ceiling lights. Check out the bathroom here. Nice big bathroom. Again, first impressions are great. I love the tub. I don't really like this glass here because it swings in and out. And if you're in the shower and you try to hold on to it, you might end up falling out. So I don't really like it too much. They have a nice large mirror. It's pretty cool. They have buttons on the front of the mirror. Of course, I'm gonna go and try each button just to see what they do. Realize that it was just for the lighting. Each button has something different for which light you want to turn on in the bathroom for the mirror. This place is pretty cool. Like I said, it was awesome place to stay. The first impressions was wonderful. However, it was missing a few things such as the furniture. It was missing a robe. It was missing a dresser to put my clothes in. But overall, it was a nice, open, spacious hotel. Nice, open, spacious room. The digital aspect, this when you pull out your phone and scan the QR codes to open the room, open the doors leading to the different hallways or the fitness room or the pool. That's pretty nice as well because you don't actually need a card on hand. You can just use your cell phone as the key. But sometimes that becomes a little hassle if you can, in case you don't have your phone with you at the moment. Maybe your phone is moving a little slow. I don't know. I think it's faster to use a key than to use your actual phone, but that's my opinion. This place wasn't expensive at all. It may have changed since then. I went in the summertime of this year, so I did know that the pool, they did have some parts of the hotel that were closed off, such as the fitness room, and I think at one point the pool was closed due to construction. But overall, this place is not bad. Will I stay here again? Maybe. They have to get some more furniture for me. Well, that is it here for me at the Otonomus Hotel. If you guys like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure you like and comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. I got some more videos, another hotel in Vegas that I have stayed at. I'll be dropping that video soon, but let me know what you think about this hotel in the comments. See you on the next one.